Let's have a look. If we go, let's just give this a pull.
How old did you say it was?
That's 1760s.
Gosh.
Hand engraved.
And the pendulum, that's what does it exactly do?
That's keeping the time. So
I see.
the pendulum swinging, the clock operates and
Yes.
that controls the time. So you can adjust how fast and slow it goes.
My goodness. I suppose you've got little cones operating then.
Yeah, that's it. You can see them all on the top here.
Yeah.
They've got chimes. You can turn off the chime if you don't want to hear that in the middle of the night, because it goes every 3 hours. Not every hour, but every 3 hours.
So there's 3 of these drums, is it? Winding it up.
The middle section of gears is for the timekeeping.
Yes.
This one is for to control this barrel.
Oh yes.
And this one is to control the strike on the hour.
Oh yes.
So if I pull that out.
Marvellous.
So that tells you what the last hour was, 3 o'clock.
Wow, that's...
I wonder what the value of that is, you know.
In the case it's in, start from about 6-7 grand. The more famous the maker, then it goes to 50,000 and 100 of it. And they're all generally English made, this sort of style.
Brilliant, thank you very much.